I just got some old pallets here, some old shit. You see this, man? Just check what I'ma do with it. You feel me? See this? Old shit, man. I'm right here in the studio 503, man. Everything here is old, my nigga. You can see it, right? And my tools, man, I just got these. I'm using this here. I'm using this too. Alright? So check this, man. All broken shit. Nothing is new here, my nigga. Ain't nothing new here. Check this. But look what I'ma do with it, right? Don't throw away old stuff, man. As long as it's still useful. You see this? Some broken shit. Some old shit. But I'll be back, man. I'll be back to show you what I'ma do with it, right? Take care, man. It's Pastor T, the easy man. You already know. Repping the ghetto fam, you heard me. Easy.